All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is the rear camera on the S9 Plus at 4K at 60 frames per second. But the title of the video, you might be a little confused, like what's going on? Well, here's why I'm making this video. There's one thing that the iPhone 8 Plus and the 8 and the X can do better with their cameras than this camera can do. And it's not reproduce better colors, it's not better footage, it's the time. If you have a Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you're limited to 5 minutes with 60 frames per second in 4K. Now on the iPhones, it's unlimited. I don't understand this. Someone help me out. I really did not believe that Samsung was going to limit this phone to 5 minutes at 4K. They already have like 10 minutes for 4K on every other phone that I have. But you can record in 2K. You can record in 1440 unlimited, front and rear. But 4K at 60 frames per second, why are we limited to 5 minutes? I mean, just look at this footage. I got one studio light going, and look at how well the phone is reproducing the colors, the brightness of the area. It's like 10:30 at night, and I'm telling you, it is not dark in my office, but I got one studio light going. And look at how well this phone is doing. This is great footage, in my opinion. Some of the best cameras I've actually used on a phone right now. And I haven't had this phone but 24 hours maybe, under 24 hours. And I've actually shot the Essential Phone video. The latest Essential Phone video was done with this phone right here. And it's absolutely stunning. But unfortunately, if I want to shoot longer than 5 minutes, I got to cut, map them together. And sometimes I like to do one-take jakes, like this video is going straight to YouTube. So what do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about the footage? Isn't this footage sweet? But I'm limited to 5 minutes when I use this phone at 4K at 60 frames per second. That's a huge bummer. It's a bummer because the footage is great. I mean, I'm going to put this video, hopefully the Essential video is live. It's the Android Oreo 8.1 video on the Essential phone. And, you know, I'll put that video out and make sure it's out before this video. So when you're watching this, be sure to go check that out because I shot that video with this camera in the same low light setting with one studio light. And it is absolutely stunning. So Samsung, why are you doing this to us? I really do not believe. And I haven't heard anybody else talk about, well, I haven't watched anybody's videos actually. But I haven't read anything online when people complaining about it only being able to record in 5 minutes, for 5 minutes in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is important to me because what if I want to use this phone to run a lot of videos on my channel? I'll work a lot harder than I have to. So I better cut this video before I run out of time. It's your man Jay Will. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Take care.